Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide Pro, and in today's video I am showing a quick hands-on review of Acer Liquid Z530 smartphone. Acer launched the Liquid Z530 smartphone in India at a price tag of ₹6,999 and it is available exclusively on Flipkart starting today. On the specification front, it features 5-inch HD IPS display. It has a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The resolution is pretty good and you will not find any problem with the resolution. Above the display there is a 8 megapixel camera with a speaker and the range of sensors, and the navigation buttons are part of the on-screen, and there is a Acer branding below the display. On the right hand side there is a volume up key, and on the left hand side there are no physical button. At the back it has 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, Acer branding, and it comes with DTS studio sound. At the top it has 3.5mm audio jack and there is a power key. At the bottom there is a micro USB slot for charging the device. There is a mic and there is a push button by which you can remove the back panel of the smartphone. Removing the back panel gives you access to dual SIM card slots, and there is a micro SD card slot by which you can increase the memory further up to 32 GB, and it packs 2420 mAh battery which offers a good standby time, and you won't find any problem when you use the smartphone. It has 4G LTE connectivity and other features are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC. Tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to a few settings, and you can access all the settings by tapping on settings. But it runs on Android version 5.1 with Acer Liquid UI on top of it. It carries the model number T02 and it is powered by MediaTek processor MT6735 quad-core processor which clocks at 1.3 GHz. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. The other variant has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB inbuilt memory. So when there is no problem of storage with the device, and the back panel of the Acer Liquid Z530 is made up of polycarbonate material and it has a decent build quality. On the sides it has round edges, and when you hold the smartphone it offers a decent feeling and you will not find any problem while using the smartphone. Tapping on app door gives you access to all the applications available in the smartphone, and as you can see that the smartphone comes with number of preloaded apps, and these apps will take some data when you update them. That's something which is different when you purchase the smartphone. And considering the price tag of ₹7,000, it's a decent phone and you can easily purchase it. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your